Well, I guess I'm into trying new things, so I'll try the chestnut praline latte.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's.
Welcome back to Vlogmas. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia, and welcome back to another vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia, and welcome back to Vlogmas. I just can't be great. I just can't be great. And I don't have a lot of time on this camera, so I am going to try to make the best of it and not try to edit too much. Because Vlogmas is not for the weak, guys. Vlogmas is not for the weak. So I'm on my way to lunch to hang out with the co-workers. I have some returns to make to H&M, so I'm gonna do that when I get done, and then then I'm going home, and then I'm gonna put this vlog out. Then I'm gonna put this vlog out, and then that's gonna be it. So I do want to give you guys my opinion. It's been a couple days since I've done, well, since you've seen me do the Audi wine calendar thing, the wine advent calendar, and the wine is okay at best, and I'm so disappointed. There's a lot of things in the calendar that I don't like, but I spent $60 on it, so I'm going to drink it. So yeah, I just think they could do better, you know. And it's like a repeat of a lot of, like, I think it may be like I don't think there's much variety in the different types of in the different types of wine. So I think there may be like 4 or 5 variations, and then they're just repeating it. Anyways, I am on my way to grab Starbucks, because Starbucks is a must. Starbucks is a must, and I'll see y'all when I get to Starbucks.
Welcome to Starbucks. 1 moment, please.
Okay. My favorite holiday drink is definitely the caramel brulee latte. Hands down. It's so good.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a grande caramel brulee latte?
All right. Anything else for you today?
Can I have it in
that
a...
one actually we're out of. Sorry.
You're out of
We
what?
don't have that. We don't have the caramel brulee sauce. We could do a chestnut praline. We don't have caramel brulee.
Oh.
We haven't had it in a while. We could do a caramel macchiato for you if you want.
The chestnut praline. I've never had that before. So you would make it the same and just do chestnut praline instead?
Yeah. Just a latte. Is that right?
Yeah. Is it
the hot drink? Hot.
No, I'm just trying to figure out like what I've never had the chestnut praline. So is it similar to caramel?
I'm sorry?
I've never.
The only thing for the caramel, I can put caramel in there, but the caramel macchiato would be the one that I would recommend if you like the caramel brulee on. The caramel macchiato.
Well, I guess I'm into trying new things, so I'll try the chestnut praline latte.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right. So it's a grande chestnut praline hot and a venti cup of extra wet.
Yes.
All right. It's going to be $6.10.
Okay.
Go ahead and pull around. Thank you.
I was just telling y'all. That's crazy. I was just telling y'all how much I like the caramel brulee latte, and then they don't have it. I like the Range Rover, but I have heard nothing but horrible things from everyone who has it. And I mean everyone who has like the 2021 and 2022. I digress. Anyways, I'm late for my meeting. I'm late for my meeting. I'm supposed to be there at 12. It's 11:59. And I'm for sure still like 20 minutes out. So I'll see y'all. I'll see y'all when I get my drink and let you know how it is.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. What just happened? Okay. Y'all, I have it. Comment down below and let me know if you've ever had the chestnut praline and what do you think. Secure the bag. It's not as good as the caramel brulee. I would probably never get it again. What does it taste like? Like when I first go to taste it, it kind of tastes caramel brulee-esque, but not really. Okay. If I had to rate it, I would give it a 6 out of 10. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the chestnut praline. Not a fan. I 100% would rather have the caramel brulee. Chestnut praline, no, but what is up with my hair though?
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain.
Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm back in the car. I know I said, okay, so I know I said I was going to H&L when I got done. Ixnay on H&MA. So I'm probably gonna have to do that later. Lunch was cool. It's 4 o'clock, 4:30, and I'm just now leaving. So I'm actually about to go pick up Navy. I just went to Whole Foods and spent $30 on cookies. Tyler parents, where y'all at? Because $30 on cookies is obscene, but she loves them. So BRB. Oh, I had to come back and say this. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. You guys, I tried an espresso martini today. Top tier. Like if you're what are you doing? If you like coffee and you like martinis, The espresso martini is where it's at. I am a woman of a particular age, and I've never tried espresso martinis. It was so good. Okay, so I tried the espresso martini and it was delicious. I literally can't wait to order those, like when I go out places. Can I have an espresso martini? Okay, so let me go and I'll see y'all when I get to Get Navy.